Throughout the years, I've noticed that I get ridges on my nails, and from using nail polish, they get discolored. Plus, they get dried out and cracky. So this is perfect for it. Now, check it out. Step 1 is shape. This is 120 grit. Second side is to smooth, and that one is 240 grit. The third is to buff, and that is 600 grit. Polish is the fourth side, and that is 3000 grit. Perfect for buffing and shining too. And check that out. Do you see that shine? And it feels so soft. So do you see the difference in both the nails? This measures 3.75 inches by 1 inch by 1.5 inch. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.